Welcome to ProctorTutors.com. Are you wondering how to bypass the American Board of Wound Management 2024? Do you have an upcoming proctored exam and need help to ace it? If so, then this video is for you. As the #1 channel providing proctor bypass solutions, we can offer you assistance with your exams. Just fill out the request form in the video's description. In this video, we will discuss how you can cheat on the American Board of Wound Management 2024 without getting caught, and how the exam is proctored. The American Board of Wound Management uses a proctoring software to ensure the integrity of their exams. This software runs system checks to make sure your computer meets all the requirements, such as having a webcam, internet connectivity, and audio. It also verifies your identity through facial recognition and a valid ID. The software then secures the environment by using a lockdown browser that restricts access to other applications, browsers, and software during the exam. Additionally, there is an environment check where you must show a 360-degree view of your exam area using your webcam to ensure there are no unauthorized materials present. Your screen will be shared and recorded, and a live proctor will observe your screen and listen for any compliance issues. However, it is possible to bypass and cheat on this exam. The best and safest method is to use a technical expert. These individuals are highly skilled and trained in bypassing proctoring software. They will remotely install custom software and provide real-time support to ensure you have everything you need before the exam starts. They will also provide correct answers to your questions. Other methods, such as using your phone, remote control software, or virtual machines, are no longer effective as the system checks will detect any unauthorized applications. Due to all of the security measures in place, the only viable solution is to use a technical expert. If you need assistance, please see the information provided in the video's description or on our website. You can also fill out the request form found there. Thank you.